Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on a future video. So in today's video, I've got my 2019 Mustang GT with the Corsa Extreme, which is absolutely very loud exhaust setup. Luckily, I have the active exhaust, so that means I'm able to switch between all these modes, and quiet is somewhat one of my favorite. I usually switch between quiet and track modes. Quiet really helps out toning down the morning start, the cold morning starts. I'm really glad that with the Corsa Extreme, I'm able to retain all the OEM Ford active exhaust features. As you guys know, I recently did get a GoPro 10, so that means one thing. I've got my head strap and my GoPro 10. We're gonna get you some POV videos with my 2019 Mustang GT and the Corsa Extreme exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my head strap for my GoPro, and we're gonna begin this POV video. All right, so I got my GoPro mounted, and let's go ahead and start with the POV drive on my 2019 Mustang GT with the Corsa Extreme exhaust. We're gonna make sure the track mode is on for the exhaust. Gonna put this in sport mode. I don't know how it's gonna really turn out with the windows down, but we'll give it a shot with both of them. Let's go. Sounds amazing. Even like I'm not even crossing more than 3,000-4,000 RPM. Somewhere here. I think I removed that. Roll the windows down. Because I don't know how the audio is turning out with the windows down, so you kind of have both samples here. I mean, I have to say the Corsa Extreme is just pretty dang loud. The best thing about it is that there is no drone, which is insane for an exhaust this loud. I mean, normally when you have a loud exhaust, I used to have flow masters on my 2006 Mustang GT, sorry. And for long road trips, there was always a drone around 60-65 miles per hour. So if I was taking road trips in that car, it kind of got a little bit fatiguing. But this one, I recently took a trip and drove almost 800 miles round trip, give or take. And there was absolutely no drone. Like, it was no fatigue. It was not fatiguing. I really enjoyed driving this car. It's surprisingly comfortable. I'm sure if I had a performance pack 1 or 2, it wouldn't be as comfortable because the suspension is a lot more stiffer. But normal GT Premium works for a road trip. It's like a proper GT car as you would expect it to be. Alright, let's give us some gas. Move over. Move over. Move over. Please. Please. You got it. You can do it. This exit has a tunnel. Not sure if I recall correctly. If there's a tunnel, you know what we're gonna do. Oh, there we go. Yes, yes. Windows have to be down for this one. Woo! That was wild. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a blast doing this. I'm really excited for more POV videos on my channel with the 2019 Mustang GT. I mean, you guys have heard the exhaust, so you know it's going to be very fun. But I'm just testing out the new GoPro. I'm definitely going to make a lot more in-depth or detailed videos on these POVs. This was just trying it out for the first time, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. I looked at a couple of the previews on my phone here, and I'm really excited to be showcasing more POV videos on my channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the vlog style video that I was doing previously, or do you want to have a lot more POV videos so you see a lot more of the car and, you know, just driving around, hearing the exhaust and just the car in general? Or do you prefer more of a hybrid where it's like a vlog versus, you know, some of the POV style? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Red 50 for more Mustang content.